In this video, we'll be going through setting up and configuring an auto attendant. To navigate to our auto attendants, we'll select our site, and then we can navigate to our dashboard under our call routing groups. We can also go to our site features, and under our calling groups, we'll have our auto attendant. An auto attendant is an automated receptionist that can quickly and professionally direct callers to the user or department they require without the need for a person. The feature greets the caller, provides them with several options to complete the directing of their call based on the settings you input. A hunt group or call center feature is often behind the auto attendant, ready to deal with the calls. To set this feature up, click on the auto attendant settings icon on the features page. Then select Add Attendant. Type in a name for your attendant. Doing this will automatically create an auto attendant ID, which will appear on your billing reports, and you can amend this now if you prefer. Add your calling line ID first and second name. This is displayed on a user's device or application when the auto attendant receives an incoming call. We'll then select a number from the drop-down menu, and this will be the number you advertise to outside callers. And we can also adjust the extension here. If available to you, you will have the Auto Attendant Feature Pack Plus. This Plus pack may be chargeable, so please ensure you check with your service provider. However, Plus gives you greater flexibility by providing the following advanced call functionality: alternate numbers, call forwarding always, call forwarding selective, do not disturb, selective call acceptance, selective call rejection, and voicemail. For our dialing options, choose if you want just name dialing, extension dialing, both or neither. If name dialing is selected, the caller spells out the name of the user they'd like to speak to using their phone's keypad. Once a match is found, the caller is played the name and transferred to them. If there are multiple results, the caller is played a list of options to choose from. You can select how the caller enters the user's name, last name, first name, or last name, first name, and first name, last name. If extension dialing is selected, the caller enters the extension number they require using their phone's keypad. The caller is then played the name of the user assigned to that extension and transfers to them. Once you've selected your options, simply hit Continue. You can choose a time schedule for when Auto Attendant is activated. For example, during your business hours. There's a default time schedule of all day, every day. And to create more time schedules, please navigate to the site, feature, and then schedules. Please also see the schedules video. For the holiday schedule, you can also create holiday schedules for when Auto Attendant will be activated. For example, you could turn it on and off if you close for the Christmas break. Once again, these are created in the schedules feature at site level. Once you've added your selected schedules, please hit save. After creating your auto attendant, you'll be redirected to the customization page where you can manage the features settings. There's a navigation sidebar for the 6 main customizable settings. Simply click on the one you'd like to manage, such as profile, business hours, after hours, service passcode, and if the Auto Attendant Plus pack has been added for you, features and voicemail will be available to you. Profile will display the selected auto attendant's key information, and we can manage this and edit this by selecting Manage in the relevant terms. Business hours can be selected by hitting the business hours feature. You can choose to have a system or a custom greeting during business hours by simply ticking your preferred option. If you'd like to personalize your greeting, you can upload an audio file providing its CCITT ULAW WAV file with 8 kHz 8-bit mono attributes, a maximum file size of 5 megabytes, and a maximum of 40 characters in the file name. Settings make it easier for callers who already know the extension number they need. Simply tick the box to allow callers to dial extension immediately after greeting. They'll get a chance to input the number at the start before having to listen to all the options available to them. The dialing menu will be where we can assign a number of pre-selected options to each number key, as well as the asterisk and hashtag keys. Click the Manage Menu button. To manage our dialing menu, first select the key from the drop-down menu. There are up to 12 key options, numbers 0 to 9, star, and hash. 3 options are shown, but you can add up to 9 or more, or remove these ones. Then add the menu option for each key from the next drop-down menu. Depending on what you select, add a phone number if required. The menu options are transfer with prompt. Type the number the caller will be transferred to, and when they hear the system announcement, please wait while your call is transferred. This can be a user, a hunt group, a call center, another auto attendant, or any valid number. Transfer without prompt. Type the number the caller will be transferred to with normal ringback. This can be a user, a hunt group, a call center, another auto attendant, or any valid number. For the operator, type the number the caller will be transferred to when they hear this system announcement. Please wait while your call is transferred to the operator. This happens when a caller doesn't press an option or they press a non-configured option twice. If they do this and the option isn't selected, the call will be disconnected. Dial by name, the caller will be asked to enter the person's name using their phone's keypad. Dial by extension, the caller will be asked to enter their desired extension number. Repeat menu, the greeting menu options will be repeated for the caller. And exit menu, this will end the call. Once you've chosen all your options, simply hit save. For after hours, if you've created an after hours time schedule, you can customize that too. Simply follow the same steps shown above in the business hours section. From features, you can view and manage the other features that complement the auto attendant for more effective and tailored needs. To manage any of the listed features, simply click on the settings icon, and you can find out more about each feature by clicking the relevant help article. When in the voicemail, if you've received any voicemails, they'll be listed here under the following headings: calling number, type, message, time, and duration. To be able to set your voicemail settings, please click Configure Voicemail, where you'll be able to forward calls to voicemail, upload your personal greeting, enable auto deletion, and if you would like voicemail to email, you can add in the email address. Please note, once the email has been sent, they will be able to listen to the voicemail, repeat the voicemail, delete the message, store the message locally or upload it to a CRM system, or forward the message to another email recipient.